take your blindness.
Damn, coach.
Here is an urgent message from the National Weather Service for the following counties in California: El Dorado, Nevada, and Placer. The National Weather Service in Sacramento has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central El Dorado County in Northern California, North Central Placer County in Central California, Central Nevada County in Northern California until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 5:37 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Forest Hill, or 10 miles south of Baxter, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Baxter, Blue Canyon, Cisco, Colfax, Emigrant Gap, Sugar Pine, Iowa Hill, Chiquita Lake, White Cloud Campground, Forest Hill, Weimer, Lake Spalding, Skillman Campground, and Rattlesnake Mountain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A brief tornado will be possible with this storm. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for the following counties in California: El Dorado, Nevada, and Placer.
Wait a minute.
Oh, guys, what happened?